Chairman, yung pong tanong na during the deliberation po nitong provision na ito sa Constitutional Commission na dati, no? Sa provision na ito ng pagbabawal sa political dynasty, napag-usapan ba doon kung hanggang anong degree ng
Yeah,
pagkakamag-anak po?
actually,
Ano po ang inyong ideya dito? Ano ba dapat dito po ang basic po na dapat ipinagbabawal? Tatay, anak,
well,
asawa pa. Go
actually,
ahead, go ahead.
yeah, yes. Actually, yung sa this discussion, the most probable way to do it is 4 degrees. In other words, up to first cousins, 4 degree relationship. That's the correct way. And she, actually there was a proposal for anti-dynasty law filed by Senator Robin Padilla na I was a part of the hearing then in the Senate na ang kanyang proposal is 4 degrees. 4 degrees. Namatay yun sa committee yata. As all proposals for anti-dynasty, they happen to it, no, na sa committee pa lang or sa hindi umaabot sa plenary ang anti-dynasty law.